It's interesting how everything seems to be so much connected to the future. Every single action that we do, every thought that we have, this minutest details, everything is so connected to what we hope to achieve in the future, what we expect or what we anticipate in the future. So everything is like it's for the future, it's future ready. And that's interesting because along that whole process of being so much future ready, from the time you're born, from being a very small child, taking your first steps, everything is moving almost relentlessly towards something in the future. And then you have the Newtonian principles. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So every action has a consequence, every action has something that comes out of it, every movement has something that comes out of it. And you keep moving because you keep anticipating, you keep planning, you keep looking forward to the reactions that come, and you move further to address those reactions. So life is then an endless stream of movements that lead to additional movements that lead to additional actions, and actions that lead to consequences, and consequences that lead to actions. And at each point of time, with every movement, with every action, with every reaction, there are so many options to choose from. The way you want to move further, the way you want to act further, the way you want to react. There are so many options to choose from. And time is filled up with almost entirely with these small movements, these actions, planning for it, anticipating, facing the consequence, building on the consequence, further actions, further consequences. At some stage you want to stop and think, what's this all about? What is happening? The way I look at it is how we plan for a trip. We are excited about it. We want to go somewhere, planning for it. We think over it. We take care of the smallest details of the trip, booking our tickets, booking the place we want to stay in, what we want to eat for, what all activities do we do there. We plan what we will do at this particular period of the day, how do we take care of the logistics, make sure that everything is comfortable, that we go there in a good space of mind, we stay there in a good space of mind, we come back in a good space of mind. Or maybe we don't plan because the unplanned nature of it itself is what's exhilarating and liberating and making us happy. So there is a planning, it's also a planned unplanning that's happening, but there's something that's happening. And as an example, I think that we have all these trips, we organize and take care of all these details, and we are getting ready, we go, and then it's early in the morning, we wake up and we see the sunrise, and then we take a lot of photos, we take selfies. We are happy we saw the sunrise. We spend the day looking at crystal clear waters, maybe blue waters, green waters. We are happy we saw the water. We smell the wind. We feel the wind blowing through our hair. We look at flowers. We look at nature. We look at different things. Whatever it is that's there in the places that we are planned for. We lie down in the night and we look up at the stars and we see the stars as we are happy about it. And all through the while we take a countless number of photos and selfies and everything to just almost as if to convince ourselves, say, yeah, we are here, we have done this. Yeah, I did look at the sunrise. Yeah, I did look at the stars. Yeah, Yeah, I could feel the wind blowing through my hair or whatever is left of it now, or whichever whatever it is. I could feel that. Yeah, yeah, I was there. I was there. But the whole point is, do we actually remember seeing a sunrise or seeing a starlit night sky on any of the days that we planned for the trip to go see these things? Do I see the sunrise every day that I wake up? See as in seeing it, feeling it, experiencing it. When is the last time that I can honestly describe to myself the feeling of looking up into a night sky and gazing at the stars? It's the last time that I could honestly recollect or even say that I felt watching the sunrise. And these are things that happen every day without us having to move one step in or 1 feet in front of the other. Where we are right now, these are things that can happen. These are feelings that we can experience. These are thoughts that we can experience. And yet, how is it that we miss that even as we plan so much for the future and take great care to plan for the minutest detail and the greatest detail so that we can go and experience the things that we can actually experience and that we actually experience every day. Just a thought. I don't have any answers there. Just a thought that came to me. We spend so much time and effort trying to rediscover ourselves. We say we want to get back to our roots. We want to rediscover ourselves. We want to rediscover our energy for life, our mojo for life. We want to rediscover ourselves. The whole point is, did we ever discover ourselves? Did we ever really find out who we are, other than the images that we built so that we look good in the eyes of others, or the images that we build to satisfy our craving for the world and the world's craving for us? Beyond that, did we ever really discover ourselves? We search for the meaning in what we do. We search for the meaning in actions, in words. But was there ever any meaning in any action or in any word? Or was it all just meant to be silence? Was the meaning superimposed? Was the meaning artificial by its very nature? And hence a mirage? Some random reflections on a lazy afternoon.